Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to study about the solutions to the basic problems under socialist economy and mixed economy. Okay, how we will solve the basic economic problems like what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce under socialist and mixed economy. So, you know that socialist economy is basically you can say controlled by the government. It is basically owned by the government. So what to produce in how much quantity? So government will produce those goods and services which will provide benefit to the maximum people of the society. लाइक वो लोग ऐसे गुड्स प्रोड्यूस करेंगे जिससे मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पीपल को बेनिफिट मिले. सो under socialist economy, basically necessity products are being produced because necessity products are being demanded by each and every people of the economy. Okay, now next is your how to produce. They will produce or they will use those techniques. They will basically go for labor intensive technique because as they are going for labor intensive technique, they will generate more and more of employment, and as they are generating more and more employment, they are utilizing the resources of the country completely, and hence they will lead to economic growth. For whom to produce? They want equal distribution of income and wealth in the society. So they produce goods and services for the majority of the people. Like whatever works are being done by the laborers, whether they are skilled or unskilled, because skilled laborers get higher wages, on the other hand unskilled laborer gets lower wages. So according to each and every laborers, or by looking after each and every laborers, they produce such goods and services, or they produce such goods and services for those people who will acquire those goods. Next, solutions under mixed economy. What to produce and how much to produce? So as you know that under mixed economic system, both private sector and public sector exist. So what you have to write, you have to mix down the features of capitalist and socialist, and you have to write down here. Okay, like what to produce and how much to produce. So under mixed economy, the private sector will be producing those goods and services which will earn them more and more of profit, like they will go for more of luxurious product. But the public sector, but the government sector under mixed economy will produce necessity products. How to produce? Private sector will go for those techniques of production which will be less costlier for them, and under them public sector will go for those techniques which will provide more and more benefit to the society. Okay, next is for whom to produce. Under mixed economy, private sector produces such goods and services which benefits which richer people can consume or which richer people can afford, so they increase the gap between the rich and the poor. But under this public sector, they produces for the you can say complete section of the society, like each and every people can acquire those goods and services. So as we have studied in our earlier chapter, there are three types of economies: capitalist, socialist and mixed. तो capitalist, in capitalist what to produce? क्या produce करते हैं वो लोग? They produce such goods and services which will earn them more and more of profit. So basically they go for luxurious products. In socialist economy, they produce such goods and services which will benefit the maximum part of the society. So they go for necessity products. And under mixed economic system, the private sector will be producing luxurious products, and you can say public sector will be producing necessity products. Now how to produce? Under capitalist economy, they go for those techniques which are less costlier to them. Under socialist economy, they choose those techniques of production which will enhance the you can say employment opportunities in the country, or you can say which will enhance the efficiency in the production of goods and services. So they will go for basically labor intensive technique. Under mixed economic system, the private sector will be going for less costlier products, and the public sector will be going for more costlier products. You can say more like that techniques which benefit most of the society members. For whom to produce? Under capitalist economy, they produce goods and services basically for the richer people of the society. Under socialist economy, they produce goods and services for all the sections of the society. Under mixed economic system, private sector produces for rich people, and your public sector produces for all the section of the society. So with this, we have completed our 5th chapter also. Is it clear? So please go through this chapter. Thank you.